Arrays. Arrays are a type of data structure in JavaScript that allows you to store multiple values of different data types in a single variable. Arrays are useful for organizing and managing collections of data, such as lists of numbers, strings, objects, or even other arrays. Creating arrays. You can create an array using square brackets and separating the elements with commas. Accessing array elements. Array elements are accessed using zero-based index. The first element has an index of 0, the second element has an index of 1, and so on. Array length. You can get the number of elements in an array using the length property. Array methods. JavaScript provides many built-in methods to manipulate arrays. Push and pop. Push adds elements to the end of the array. Pop removes the last element from the array. Shift and unshift. Unshift adds elements to the beginning of the array. Shift removes the first element from the array. Splice. The splice method is used to add, remove, or replace elements at a specific index in an array. Slice. The slice method extracts a portion of an array into a new array without modifying the original array. Concat. The concat method combines two or more arrays and returns a new array.